Hi everybody and welcome back to UTSEO.Ninja. My name is Tristan and today, as you can see, we've got a box, and the question is what's inside the box. Now of course it does say right here in big letters, Keekom. So for those of you who aren't familiar with them, these are Keekom beacons. We just got these obviously in the mail about 5 seconds ago, and so we want to do a quick unboxing and show you guys what's in the box and talk a little bit about Keekom. And the plan is to actually get them here on the channel so we can do a quick interview with them so you guys can kind of learn a little bit more about the kind of beacons that these guys sell, which is pretty exciting. But for the time being, we're going to open the box. So I do need to be pretty upfront with this. Now, this is not a paid review. I bought these beacons with my own money. These are not free beacons by any means. But I do know the owners of Keekom. I've known him for quite a while now, actually. And he's a friend of mine. And so I was excited to finally get these things in. Alright, so we're going to start here. We've got another little box. So it's an unboxing inside of an unboxing. Let's see what's in here. So if anything goes wrong, then we've got video evidence so we can send it back to Zach. Zach! This is bad! Got a little bag. And inside the little bag, a couple other little bags. There's our silicone stuff. This is our lanyard beacon. Let me pop that thing out real quick. Beacons. So like I said, this is a little beacon that you can then just carry around whenever you go out and about. So you can use these things for like marketing, or whenever you go blah blah. So you can use these things for like networking events, or you can use them for like trade shows. Pretty much anytime you'd have some sort of identification, you can have this little guy with you. So what I'm wanting to do with these specifically is there are a whole bunch of conferences that I'm planning to go to here the next little while, if I can get this to go back into focus. And so being able to take a beacon with me is going to be awesome, because then I can just broadcast messages and collect leads and, you know, get Facebook followers and buddies and stuff like that really quick and easily. So I'm excited about that. That's the lanyard. I'm going to stick that back in here because I don't want it to get dirty. So I think we kind of jumped again. I think we're supposed to do... Let's stick that right here.
This is a good list.
All right. Welcome. We got like a little wax seal and everything on here. I almost don't want to break it just because it's kind of neat. We're going to cut around it. Can I cut around it? There we go. Okay, looks like we're going to go through. Oh no! You know what? We're just going to do this. I don't want to damage anything that might be in there. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, so this is just our warranty information, FCC notices, beacon stuff, and then in the back, this is like our order number 40, and then like to download the apps and everything, so that's kind of neat. Good stuff to have. These, I ordered a whole bunch of extras of these because these are really cool. These are NFC stickers. And so you can put these things in like windows, you can put these things in like cars, you can do all kinds of crazy stuff with this. And so we're actually going to test this real quick. That little sticker right there, that's the sticker, or the NFC sticker, obviously. So my tag reader is right here somewhere. There it is. And here, this shows you how to turn on nearby on your phones. Pretty darn neat. And so the idea is that you can put this at the location, like a restaurant, and then people can see how to actually turn on your Bluetooth Google Nearby notifications really quick and easy. So, and they can also download the iOS device right there, or the iOS app right there. And then of course if you need any more advanced stuff, here's all the more advanced stuff. Way more advanced stuff. So it's kind of neat. We like that. Like I said, I ordered a few extra of these because I really like these things. Okay, the big box. Alright, so I have my designer here. Designer, what do you think of the box? Okay, that's like a 10 out of 10 for those of you who have ever worked with Gabby. She's not an easy person to please. So we got the cool little magnetic closure right there. Oh, there's number 10. He heard you. Gabby's just like, oh, he only said 9. There's supposed to be 10. But no, it was sitting right in there, so that's perfect. And there we go. These are our beacons. So this is the puck model. That's right there. Just to give you guys an idea as far as size, this is a HTC 11 Life, and then this is the beacon itself. So it's pretty small, about 1.5 inches by about 1/2 inch thick. So pretty darn neat. Let's do that. There we go. I can actually see it. It's the size of an Oreo. It's an Oreo cookie. Actually, I think it's a little bit smaller than an Oreo. This one here is the quad. This thing is a beast. I forget the range on this thing, but it's just absolutely nuts. There's the on-off switch, and then the IDs and everything. Excited about this one. This is the one that we're going to be installing in a couple of clients' locations here this week. Here's all of our batteries and stuff. We'll open that here in just a second. This is another one I was really excited about. This is the badge beacon. So you can see it is not very big. In fact, it's very, very thin. Let's do that so you can see it. So the idea behind this is that this is one that you can stick in your pocket and just kind of carry it around with you and just do your organic stuff like that. So this is another one I'm really excited about. Alright, now this one right here, this is the waterproof beacon. This is one of their newer ones that they just did. And so all the beacon stuff is back here behind this plate. The batteries for it are in here, I believe. Yeah, right there. And then you just plug this thing up. And you've got these nice little options to drill it into a wall. So that makes it a lot easier to install it. Like that so you guys can actually see it. So the idea is that you mount the bracket to the wall. And you can either use like a sticky thing or you can use screws. There's a whole bunch of different options for that. And then you attach all of this, and then that beacon's going to be sitting there forever, and you don't have to worry about it getting wet because it's completely enclosed. So this is pretty darn neat. That's going to go over here. So we got 5 beacons in total with the kit. And then just really quick to look at the goodies that they sent us. Don't take beacons on airlines. We've got, this is a screwdriver. I know what this is. Screwdriver just for the individual parts. That goes in like that, so you can open and close it without any problem. You always need more screwdrivers. Sticky backs, or Velcro. Velcro is always appreciated. These are sanitary wipes. What you do with these is you use these to clean off the backs of the beacons and whatever it is you're going to be sticking the beacon to, just to remove any sort of oils or greases and stuff like that, so you get a better bond. I know we've screwed that up quite a few times. More stickies. The big sticky. These are the screws for the bracket, and then also screw cover, so that way you don't see the screws. That's also pretty neat. More stickies. Magnet strip. Curious to see where the magnet strip goes. And then of course our batteries for our beacons. You'll notice that we also have some little screws that go in the that are here in the bag. Those go back here, and that's how you actually keep the thing nice and closed and tight. So good to know. Okay, and that is what comes in your Keekom beacon box. So again, I'm really excited about this. Just to give you guys an idea for things like this, we've kind of talked about pricing a little bit in the past. For an individual beacon for like a restaurant or for some other sort of smaller sized brick and mortar business, usually either one of these or one of these, and potentially one of these, we're going to charge about $500 per month, or $500 for the installation, and then an additional fee for whatever maintenance or any other goodies that they want us to do. And so just looking at this, I have at least $1,500 worth of product here that I can then take and I can sell to a customer. So the pricing for this is great. The quality for these things is absolutely nuts. And in the next videos, what we're going to be doing, like I said, we're going to talk to the developers, the guy who's actually behind this. His name's Zach. He's a really neat guy. And then we're also going to be doing some reviews and tutorials for their dashboard, just to kind of show you guys how this works. And again, like I said, these aren't paid promotions. This is me actually buying real products with my own money that I'm then going to go out and install for real customers and real clients. And want to give you guys this information. So like I said, there's no money being passed around the back. You know, it's not me being paid to talk nice about these guys. This really is something that I'm pretty excited about. And if you guys would like to see how we're actually setting up these different projects, you know, especially how like we're charging $500 for this and so on, and how you can actually charge, you know, $500 a month, $1,000 a month for programming, setting one of these things up, and then all the process that goes behind that. Don't forget that we do have our Bluetooth Beacon course specifically for smaller brick and mortar businesses like restaurants, like small shops, cafes, things like that. And you guys can find a link to that in the description. We do have an affiliate link for these guys just because we are trying to keep the channel free. And so if you guys do want to support the channel in that way, then you're more than welcome to use that link. Otherwise, just use the normal link. It's Keekom.com, and it's not exactly hard to find. But that'll do it for this quick video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you guys again promptly. Bye.